Video entry of the day, day 1, as I start my internship. So the journey begins. Tignan niyo yung itsura ko, medyo fresh pa siya sa lagay na yan. Pero let's see on the coming days kung kamusta na ako at ano yung magiging itsura ko. And I hope that I would be able to share some of my learnings all throughout my internship journey. Ang feeling, kala mo naman madami siyang share. Pero wala lang, gusto ko lang siyang i-vlog kasi I'm just a memory hoarder myself. So, yeah. Excited. Let's go, Lord. Let's go, Jesus. Alright, so this is me after my 10-hour long shift for my internship today. So, let me just give a very quick life update. Feeling, kala mo naman. So, meron akong 5 to-do list na kailangan kong tapusin. And ayun, napasabak agad ako sa database, client history, client gathering of information about my client. So, very happy ako kasi ang dami ko natututunan. Tapos, ang daming gagawin. So, medyo yung brain cells ko para siyang shining, shimmering, splendid. Ganun yung feeling. Pero ang saya-saya kasi nag-group dynamics kami. Then, I get to socialize with other patients or other clients and be with my other co-intern. So, para akong mother bird ng mga other interns kasi I am the only one intern na under ng masters or taking masters. So, ang saya-saya. Pero, yes, ba't nga ba ako nag-video? Wala lang, trip ko lang. Probably on my next vlogs, I won't post it. Gusto ko lang yung first part ng aking internship journey. So, yeah, bye! Sobrang happy ako today. Ang daming parang binubuhay ng mga desires ng Lord in my heart and I'm very happy. Para akong nai-in love, ganon, in my profession again and again. Kaya, saya mag-aral. Aral na rin kayo. Joke lang. Pero kung bored kayo, tapos gusto nyo mag-MA, don't do it. You do it because you have a purpose. And you do it for the glory of God. Alright? Bye! Ayun o, kita niyo yung difference sa first part ng video din on the last part. Ito na ako pagkatapos ng 10-hour long shift. Thank you for watching.